Hello and welcome to my channel, Cozy Loop Crochet. Today's project, we're gonna be making infinity scarf. It's easy for beginners to do. And for the material, I'm gonna be using Lionbran Mandala. Yarn is 5.3 ounces, 150 milligram, and weight is light 3, and for the hook size it says 5 millimeter, but I'm gonna be using 4.5 millimeter. We need a tapestry needle at the end, a measuring tape, and a pair of scissors. So let's get started. For the width, it's gonna be 8 inches, and for that I'm gonna be doing 30 chains, and we're gonna do our slip knot here at the beginning. This is how I do my slip knot, and then I'm gonna do 30 chains plus 1, so it's 31, and then at the end I'm gonna add 2 more chains, which is just for the foundation for this pattern. And let's do our chains first. 1, 2, 3. I have 30 chains in here, and I'm gonna add 1 more chain plus 2 more chains for the foundation. So total of 33 now. So I'm gonna skip the first 2 chains, and on the third one I'm gonna do 1 double crochet. Double crochet is yarn over, go through the chain, pull the yarn again, go through 2 loops, pull the yarn, go through the other 2 loops. This is 1 double crochet. And then I'm gonna skip the next chain, and on the other chain I'm gonna do 1 single crochet first, go through the chain, pull the yarn, and pull the yarn again, go through 2 loops. And on the same chain I'm gonna do another double crochet. So 1 single and 1 double on 1 chain, and then skip the next chain, and on the next chain after that do again 1 single crochet and 1 double crochet. We're gonna repeat this to the end of the row. So skip 1, on the next one after that 1 single and 1 double on the same chain. So I'm gonna do the rest of it and I'll be back. Okay, I'm getting to the end here, and I'm gonna skip this 1 chain, and on the very last chain I'm gonna do just single crochet, 1 single crochet on the last chain, and then chain 1, turn my work, and on the second row, on the very first chain in here, I'm gonna do 1 double crochet. So on the last chain of the row, we're gonna do single crochet. On the beginning of the new row, we're gonna go and do 1 double crochet. 1 double crochet in here, and then the rest of the row is gonna be the same. We're gonna skip 1 chain, and on the next one, skip this one, on the next one we're gonna do 1 single crochet and 1 double crochet, and repeat the same thing to the end of the row. Skip 1, On the next one, one single and one double. So let's do this row and I'll be back again. Getting to the end of this row, I'm gonna skip one, and on the very next one we're gonna do only one single crochet. Okay, I have to get both. Only single crochet, and then I'm gonna do one chain and turn, and same thing at the beginning, only one double, and the rest of it is the same pattern. And this pattern is very nice, very easy to do. It's called grit stitch or moss stitch, and I'm gonna do I don't know how many rows I'm gonna keep going, but I'm aiming for the length of the 45 to 50 inches long. So I'm gonna keep going and be back after I reach the length. Okay, I am back and I'm done with the scarf. I was hoping for 45 to 50 inches long, but I decided to finish up the whole yarn was 5.3 ounces, so I'm finished up with the whole one skein of yarn, and I'm happy with the length, but you can do as long as you wanted it. And right now all I have to do is to tie it up, so let's do that. So for doing that, I'm gonna bring these two ends together like this, and I have just this much yarn left over to do tie it up. If it doesn't do the job, I'm gonna have to undo one row. So first I'm gonna hide this yarn from the beginning of the chains, and then we're gonna do slip stitch to tie it up. Okay, let's do that in here. I'm gonna just show you a few how we're gonna do slip stitch. Okay, so let's bring this and bring the yarn right here. I'm gonna do one chain. Okay, and here I'm gonna do the whole one, two loops, back loop and front loop, and the same thing on the other side, and then pull the yarn over and pull it through the loop. This is a slip stitch. And the next chain, the same thing from both sides. Pull the yarn and pull it through the loop. And this is my next one. So let's do that, continue with this, and then I'm gonna show you the final product. I'm done with joining the both sides, both ends together, and I'm gonna hide the yarn with the yarn needle, and actually this is it looks good on both sides, and so this is it for this project. I hope you like it. Please leave me your comments, and hit the like button and subscribe if you like this video, and I'm gonna put more tutorial videos in the future. Thank you for watching.